Hello, my name is Karan Athri and my wife's name is Deepika Athri, and we got blessed with a baby girl from Healing Hospital, and her name is Arvika Athri. And our overall experience was pretty good because our Dr. Monalisha, was one of the best doctor we ever saw in my life because she took care of my wife with really like a person, like a family. And even though she was available for us for 24/7, even my wife called her around 3 o'clock just to take precaution, like, yeah, I'm facing this issue. She was available, which I didn't expect from a doctor, but she was available at 3 a.m. in the morning also. And my wife overall experience, my wife got admitted. We saw our Monalisha from last in the 8th month, and we got pretty good experience and pretty good feedback from other people and in my father's colleagues, and that's the reason we came to Healing Hospital. And my wife got admitted on 4th, and our first priority was getting a normal delivery, and Dr. Monalisha wanted to give us 200% even. She wanted her to give Deepika a pretty good chance to have a normal delivery, even though she waited for more than 24 hours, but for some reasons we couldn't work that out because of the painkillers were not working on my wife. So we gone for the C-section, and even though my wife was scared of C-section in the first place, but the way she handled the situation, Dr. Monalisha, was pretty good, and that's the reason I was expecting her to handle, and she motivated Deepika. Even though the OPD doctors, everybody motivated her, like it's gonna be a normal. And after the C-section, what Monalisha and the other doctors said, what happening, because my wife was feeling pretty good and she was comfortable and everything. We were being treated by, even though staffing, nursing department, everyone treating us so good. And even though the cleaning people who were coming to take care of Deepika while she was inside in the hospital, but every 2 hours they used to visit her and keep a check on her. And regarding overall experience, we give a 10 out of 10 and recommend everybody, because if you want to get an experienced doctor, Healing is the point. Healing is the really good place to be. And that's my total of our experience, and I hope you guys will take Healing as a really good thing, because our experience is coming from the heart, and that's the reason we recommend everybody. Thank you. The package we were having was pretty good. We actually came in the 8th month, and we could have gotten because there were 3 packages. Even though they were taken, yeah, you can take the expensive one, but the doctor told us, like, that's no point of getting that one. You get this one, and we got the deluxe package. And because the transparency was really good, because we wanted to see, yeah, we could have gone for the 1 lakh one, but the doctor told us it's not worth it because you are on the last stage, and which was a really good thing. And because most of the hospital will tell you, oh, you get this package, this one is really good. No, the transparency is really good regarding that. The doctors are pretty honest about everything they do, and even though if they recommend anything, they will ask the patient twice, like, you are comfortable with doing this, you are comfortable. And even though they won't take a step without asking a patient, if she is not comfortable, she will not recommend anything. If she wanted to do it, if it's necessary to do that step, then she will motivate her, talk to the husband, talk to the family, yeah, this is important thing and we need to do this. And even so, the patient gets scared of everything. Sometimes she gets scared of a particular test or something, and the way doctors are handling it is pretty good, which I like about Healing. I already recommended one of my friend regarding Healing, and the reason I will recommend is the honesty of the doctors and the staff, and everything is available. Even though you don't have to be stressed out, like sometimes you have to think twice But here you don't need to think twice before coming here, because everything is taken care of and you will always be in a good hands.